The power of one compliment. As in the last few days, many of you shared experiences from your life in the comments. Thank you for sharing them. From today, I would like to start a small series on this channel where we will talk about real stories. Today, I want to share a real story from my life. There was a girl who often felt very discouraged because some of her friends used to make fun of the way she looked. Their words hurt her deeply, and slowly she started believing those negative things about herself. Because of this, she became very quiet and lost confidence. One day, I met her for the first time. While we were talking, I simply said something very natural to her. I told her, "You are beautiful." For me, it was just a simple compliment, but for her, it meant a lot. She looked surprised. When she went home, she shared it with her mother. From that day, something started changing inside her. Instead of thinking negatively about herself, she began to see herself differently. Her confidence slowly grew. She started enjoying life, and today she has many friends. This experience reminded me of something very important. Our words have power. Sometimes we don't realize that one small encouraging sentence can change the way someone thinks about themselves. Today's task: give a sincere compliment to someone today.